Hey there, I'm Cai Ping, and I'm going to show you how to make this gradient lip look. So gradient lips are a lip trend that started basically in South Korea, and it blew up, especially within Asia. I remember going to different Asian countries that weren't Korea. I remember being in Hong Kong and in Malaysia and in Singapore, and a lot of people would have sort of like this ombre effect on their lip, and that's called the gradient lip. It got so popular that a lot of especially Korean makeup brands such as Chosunga 22, Etude House, and Laneige started making these dual lip products, where on one end you could get a lighter color, and then on the other end you could get a darker color as the tint to blend out on your lips. But not everybody has these products. So I'm going to show you how to do a gradient lip using this NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Peanut Brittle and this CoverGirl lipstick in the shade 300, which is Flame. This is a very intense light red lipstick, and this is a pretty intense butter gloss, a pretty thick gloss, but we're gonna keep it thin, and we're gonna use this as our tint to blend outward onto our lips. Right now I have foundation on, my brows are done, my eyes are done, and yeah, all that's left to do is the lips, so let's go. So we're gonna start by taking the Intense Butter Gloss, or whatever gloss that you have. You want a thin layer of your base shade. So what I am going to do, and what I did earlier, was to scrape off product actually off of the spatula. But of course that's only I'm gonna get one side of the spatula. See how on the spatula there's more product on this side than there is on this side, but we're gonna use this one to put on our bottom and then on top. So this is what my lips look like with my gloss on. It's very close to my actual skin tone. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, your lipstick, your darker lip shade, and you're gonna put it on your finger. You're gonna have to have at least 3 clean fingers for this look, because you're gonna well, I wouldn't even suggest using a Q-tip because you don't want the hairs to get stuck on your lips. But put it on a clean finger, haha. And you're gonna put this on the inner third of your top and bottom lip. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. And then we're gonna blend it out basically in 2 layers using our separate clean fingers. If you get lipstick on your teeth, no one's gonna know. So just check before you leave the house. I probably have lipstick on my teeth right now. It happens all the time when I do this. And yeah, we're gonna blend it in 2 layers. Dab the outside line of the inner third, and this is what you get. And then you're gonna do the same with your last clean finger, your last third clean finger, but on the outer part of the second third of your lip. This is the finished look. If you like it, let us know so by hitting that like button, commenting what you would like to see us make tutorials on, and subscribe because we come out with content all the time. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cai Ping, and I have a YouTube channel called Pause2012. I will see you in the next Wheesearch video that I'm in. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!